Welcome to Life on Pig Row, and today I'm going to show you how to make the old-fashioned dish, egg and cheese. Ours has got a little twist though. I've already put my oven on to preheat at 180, and now I'm just going to butter my metal dishes. You want perhaps a flat metal dish, or even a shallow ramekin would do. You can see we've got cheese already grated here. There's quite a lot. We're not going to probably use all of it. I've got two types of cheese. We've got a mature cheddar and we've got a smoked red Leicester, which is absolutely delicious. What we're going to do is we're going to put some of the cheese on the plate, straight onto the plate like this. Making sure it's all across the plate and not on the sides. Right, we're going to make a hole now in the cheese. So we just move it out. So you want to make like a little nest. It's really important that you put the cheese on first and not the egg, otherwise you'll end up with fried eggs on a plate, not eggs and cheese. So I'm going to take the egg, and I'm going to crack the egg into the hole. Like this. Like that. Now let's put a bit of the cheese onto the whites. Not too much, you don't want to get it onto the yolk. Just onto the white, covering it over. Like. I've put the egg and cheese to one side, and now here's the twist. I'm going to put a little bit of chilli in it. So today I'm just going to slice chillies. I'm going to do some chilli rings. I'm going to make sure I get the seeds out in a minute because those are too hot. Make sure you don't wipe your nose or your eyes or your ears or anywhere else because this chilli is very hot. These chillies are from the garden. They're called Padron. And now myself and Andrew are going to do the chilli test to show you just how hot they are. So here we goes.
Carol's just coughing in the background, so it's my turn.
Right, so seeing as the chillies are just a little bit hot, we've decided we might not put quite as much chilli in. As you can see, I've chopped it up into little bits. I did intend to put some rings in. What this highlights is it's important to know how hot your chillies are before you add them to a recipe, in case you blow your head off. Right, I'm going to put these in the oven at 180, as I said earlier, preheated oven. They're going to go in for about 8 minutes. It's important though to keep checking. What you want is you want your white to be set and you want your yolk to be still nice and runny, so you can dip some lovely bread in it. This is the finished thing. I should have clarified that it's probably 160 in a fan oven and 180 in a conventional oven. This took about 6 minutes, but normally it's between 6 and 8 minutes, so you do need to keep checking. So goodbye from Life on Pig Row. Don't forget to like and subscribe.